Oh, I'm leaving in 3 seconds. I just want to do a quick video before I leave. The market just sold off. We survived again. 12-minute bear market. We broke the lows, caught a double bottom, and are already bouncing. But again, if you're trading the market right now, you're missing out on the big picture, what's going on underneath. Underneath, there is a raging bull market. So just because the indices or the indexes or the indices, what? Just because you're seeing a down day in the market, there's more stocks going up than down right now. But more importantly, staying selective and buying the stocks that are being rotated into guns, ammo, tiger, Bitcoin, weed, finance, energy, oil. Ain't no bear market here. Just because the Qs are down 2 points today after being up for the last, 6.5 years to have a couple of down days. POWW. Gave it to you the other day at 365. I gave you Tiger at 750. Go with the rotation. Take the money out of the winners and buy the new winners. The new winner is POWW. TIGR. BTBT. These are monster trades going on today. There's no bullets on earth. All right? We've been talking about the stock POWW since the 350 break. Sorry, 317. 317 was a 20-year VWAP break, otherwise known as a lifetime break. Okay, you got a lifetime high break, lifetime VWAP break at 317. That's why we're in it. Prudent thought now comes into play. If I'm in a stock at 320 and it got to my goal, which our target was the breakdown price from 5118, we're talking about a stock that just hit 3-year highs. We need to sell some here at 525, sold right there, 525. And now we're going to put a stop at this last breakout area. Again, this is a $5 stock up 30%. Sell some here at 5.25. And your danger zone now, 465. But now you're playing with house money. So don't sell anymore unless it forces you out at 465. But now that you sold some at 5.25, boom. Same thing with Tiger. Sold it on the way up. I'm not even in this thing anymore because yesterday was a blow off top. I thought we were going to get a chance to buy it, maybe at, 750 again. But the market, good stocks that are breaking out, the sell-offs have been all buying opportunities. If you told me that BTBT would be a long trade today, I would have said you're out of your mind. Meanwhile, it became one of our best trades of the day. BTBT. Yeah, that BTBT. Just absolutely by far the greatest trading I've ever seen. And when I say that, let me qualify again. I am not making $5,000 a day like I used to. Those days are over for me. I'm buying 300 shares of BTBT at 1865, bang it out at 19, and that's what I'm doing. I'm here to supply information to my peeps while trying to remain entertained and make a little bit of money, because it's impossible for me to be in a QQQ short, a BTBT long, while I've got the UVXY trade, trying to manage this POW and talk at the same time. Virtually, actually, it's not virtually, it's impossible. So I found this happy place where I trade a little bit, but the magic is when I sell out of the stocks. That's what you got to be a witness to, like this BTBT. Yeah. I just sold my last 110 shares at 1850. No joke. Just got stopped out at 1850. The stock's at $20 now. That's why you need to be doing it live, to see how fucked up it is that I still, no matter what, there is no denying 99, I would say 999 trades out of 1,000. If I sell, the stock inevitably goes higher. Maybe not that second, maybe not that minute, but at one point, every trade, there'll be higher prints from where I sell the stock. It is unbelievable. I haven't had this going on. Got to be in like 13, 14 years. I'm back. I'm back in a big way right now because this is perfect. I make a little bit. I get out of the stock, and then you make even more. It's a perfect scenario. I have to deal with my frustration and my annoyance, but I've been frustrated and annoyed for a million years. And you know what? There's going to be 13 more trades tomorrow that I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'll buy something, I'll make my $300 on it, and then it should be a $3,000 trade within 20 minutes. It's every trade I've done. So let me give you that list again. I'm out of BTU. I still like it. I'm not buying it back. You got to be watching BTU. I sold the rig. I'm down to what you could call nothing. Rig, finally over $3. I'm not in it. You got to be watching rig. Okay? You saw what happened to DraftKings after I sold out of it. You saw what happened in Jumama. You saw what happened in Neo. Bro and host, I am on fire right now. I make a little. Every stock I sell goes up at least 20% after I sell it. And then after the first 20%, that's just the annoying part. Then comes the salt in the wound trade when that stock tacks on another 100 to 300% the following couple of days after that. So I'm giving you my list, and I'm not in these stocks anymore. BTU, out of it completely. Rig, I got 100 shares left, which is basically not, you know what? Yeah, I'll sell the rig too. Watch this. 318. Ooh, 318. All right, 319. I'm out of rig now too. So what I suggest you do is if you're struggling trading, join us for the next 3 or 4 months, or at least take the trial. Watch me in action because it's something to behold, right? Winners galore. But the real move is when I finally get out of an idea that I just got done telling you how much I like, and I sell into it hoping that I could get a chance to buy it back, like BTBT. This fucker could go to $50 today. It's unbelievable. I want to haven't eaten. I'm finally trying to eat something. I walk out of the room. The stock's ripping past 1950. Just awesome. Just amazing. So, yeah, you're paying to learn, but you know what you're paying for? If you got a stock that's struggling and you're in it for a while, I'll bless your stock. Tell me what stock it is. I will buy it. I will hold it for you. I got to hold it for at least 15 minutes. I'll take a loss or a gain. It doesn't matter. And that fucking stock will be a juggernaut. They'll be singing songs about your stock in a day from now. Analyst upgrades, cats and dogs living together, CNBC, the CEO comes on, he's saying not only are we getting taken over tomorrow, we're getting taken over. Look at POWW. Look at it. I just sold some today at 470. 470 just to test my theory. The stock's at 570 now. Guys. You think it's a joke? I started a chat room back in 2007 so people could witness this fuckery that goes on because it's hard to believe. But when you see it happen, I let go of the button and the stock takes off. There's only one way to do that because making a video now, you're like, oh, yeah, sure. No. Every trade. It's going on, got to be 4 months now. Every trade I do. You're not just getting little move. You're getting 17%, 25%, 100% moves after I get out. It's sick. BTBT, POWW. And let me tell you about the last stock I just sold. AOUT. Right? Remember how much I was talking about? You got to like guns and weapons and bullets. I sell the AOUT. I completely forgot about it. I come look back today. I'm like, oh no, here we go again. AOUT, POW, guns. Because if you don't know, we're in World War right now. There's a world war going on our soil. You cannot find bullets or guns. You can find guns easily than the bullets right now. POWW, bullets. AOUT, guns. Ruger, guns. Guys, pandemic, world war, nothing matters. Come and hang out with us. We're in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble. Stay in the bubble, in the bubble, in the bubble. We're in our homes. No pandemic. We're in the bubble. We're staying in the bubble of the government-induced bull market that is a bubble, in the market, in a bubble. So we're in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble. It's fantastic. It's nice and warm and cozy in here. Plus, as me as your leader, I'm just handing out money. Who wants the money? Who wants the money? Who wants the money? Does anybody want this money? Here, I'm about to sell the stock. Watch it go up 20%. Bro, there's fucking miracles going on right now. Miracles. Again, I like this POWW. I didn't think we were going to rip through 5 today. I think, yeah, we'll get to 5. We'll pull back. Maybe I'll get a chance to buy it back. Nah. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. So look at BT. I just sold these 2 stocks. Look at them. BT. Bro, the stock's up $1.70 now since I sold the last lot. POW, I just sold it's unbelievable. Guys, this is the sickest thing I've ever seen. It's the same video. It's the same day every day. Exploit this shit right here. I am a magic man. I am the warlock. This is some sort of demonic, surrealistic nightmare that I'm in, that I'm prevented by some spiritual power to really make any good, real, solid, monstrous money in this market. I take my little dribs and drabs. I'm so happy. How come you didn't hold any? I don't know. How come you didn't buy any more? I don't know. And you know what? You know who's right about this market the most? Not me. My wife. You know why? Because I'll come out of the room now. If she was in the other room, I come out of the room, and she could tell by the stupid look on my face. Oh, let me guess. You bought some stock. You thought it was going here, but you sold it before it got there, and now you don't want to buy it back. Just buy it back, she says. But I just sold it. But you still think it's going higher. Why don't you just buy it back? Well, I just sold it. But you still think it's going higher, right? Buy it back. But I just sold it. Shut up! That's my marriage right there. Hate when she's right, because that's what it is. If you still think it's going higher, buy it back. No, won't buy it back. And that's where the magic for you guys. As long as I don't buy it back, you are not getting me to buy any more of this POWW back. Are you kidding me? I just sold, got to be 600, 700 shares below 5. I'm going to go chasing it here at 575? No, I'll hold what I got left, yeah. But if I was to buy it back here at 575, I would ruin it for everybody. So the guys over at Ammo Incorporated, we're going to call them later. We're going to call Ammo, whatever this company is, ammoinc.com, and I'm going to blackmail them. If you don't give me $3 million in unmarked bills in a suitcase and some ammunition, of course, I'm going to buy your stock back and I'm going to fucking crush your company. I mean, it's unbelievable. So BTU, Rig, Tiger, Ammo, and AOUT. My gift to you, but I hope you guys have been in this stock because I told you about these 4 or 5 days ago. Sick. Sick. I love you. See ya.